And I feel like Quad A plus is legit probably like one of the hardest runs in the game.
Just don't get hit, easy pop.
Yeah. At that point, you're just basically playing the game. You're not speedrunning.
Maybe too hard on the easy ones. If it was like Program X, kind of like say, yeah, it would be a different story.
Yeah. Could you imagine an all unique trials though for it?
You can.
Yeah, I know.
Let's do it. All of them at that person have a all unique trial. Death percent all unique trial does not make any sense.
Yeah, no, that makes sense. Oh, that didn't